Good evening, Sir Edgar. So for tonight, I'm going to show you my final exam. So let's begin. Oh, and for the directions, I'm going to show you the output of all the triggers needed with discussion and the stored procedure. I'm going to execute it on SQL and as well as the .NET connection in connection with the stored procedure. Okay. So I've already made my bill database as well as the corresponding tables that are needed in this final exam, such as water, maintenance, homeowner, parking, bill rate, bill details. Okay, so the bill rate, actually, it's constant na. Bale, yan yung parang pinaka-basis ng lahat. Especially sa triggers. So, ayan siya. April 2021, water rate is 12, maintenance is 1,200, park rate is 1,500. Pag May, 15 naman water rate, 1,500 maintenance, and 1,600 ang park rate. So, dito sa water table, madedetermine yung lahat. So, yung so there, the room number is from the homeowner's table. Tapos, ayun yung mga months, and as well as the year, and the present reading, and as well as the previous reading. So, if I change and input stuff here, magkakaroon ng changes sa maintenance table, which is this one. And surely, ma-affect din yung bill detail. So, ayan siya. Kasi, nakalagay dito, maintenance is triggered by water. Alright. So, we shall try the triggers that we have made in the water table. So, the triggers are add water and update water. So, what if we add water here? So, let's say 3004 in the month of May 2021. Let's say it's 900 and past reading is 350. So there, refresh. Yan, lumitaw siya 3004, May 2021, 1.5. Since it's May. Laging ganun siya, 1.5 kapag May, kapag April, 1.2. And it would show dito sa bill detail. Ayun, pumasok siya. 3004, May. Ang total is 8,250 and 1.5. So, ayan. For update, so let's try updating yung ito. Gawin natin siyang April. Tapos, let's make it 800. 600 na lang. Ay. 400. Fine, 400. Tapos, 120 yung previous reading. It should update. Yun, it did. Okay. So, next is parking. The triggers here is yung sa add parking. So, let's try adding parking. Si ano naman, 3005. Tapos, in the month of May. Tapos, 2021. Gawin naman natin 1.5. Okay, ayan. Parking. Should update. Yun, pumasok siya. Parking, 3005, May 2021. And it's 1.6. So, that's for the triggers of water, parking, maintenance. Water, parking, and update sa maintenance since it's triggered by water. Okay. So, ayun. Sa parking kasi manual in-input siya as we have seen. Tapos, let's try changing naman dito sa trigger ng bill rate. So, if I change, so ito siya ngayon. If I change yung maintenance rate dito sa bill rate, mag-change na siya sa maintenance table. So, I want to change 1.2 into 1.4. Okay. So, let's check yung maintenance table. Yes, it did. April 1.4 na siya. As well as the rest. Okay. So, okay, so, ayun din siya. Okay, so next, what we're gonna do, since I've shown all the triggers, the add water, update water, add parking, as well as update bill rate. The others, the other tables don't have any triggers, only water, parking, and bill rate. And water affects maintenance table. Okay, so ayan na siya. So next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna execute the stored procedure para magkaroon ng bagong homeowner. So here's the homeowner table, and now we're going to try adding another homeowner using the stored procedure over here. So modify. So for the stored procedure, the room knows data type is integer, full name, and varchar. So what's it gonna do? It's gonna insert the values into homeowner for the room number and full name column so that it would have values. Okay, so let's try executing stored procedure. So since the last room number is, let me check. Wait, let me just delete this. Yes. Okay. 3006. The last number is 3006. So we will try doing 3007. And for that, let's make it there you have it. It's been executed. Now we shall check. There you go. What if we try using the .NET connection? So I've already made the form, and I've added a little design, which is I've added a background image and changed the colors and the fonts and added a little design to the button as well. So here's the code for it. So what it does, so we have declared the parameters, the SQL parameters for room number and full name para pwede tayo mag-input, and pag na-input natin and save, mag-execute yung stored procedure to this code, yung command, yung SQL command. And when saved, magkakaroon ng message box that says new homeowner added. So that's what it does. So let's try. So the last one is 3007. You will try 3008. Full name, let's say. Okay, so save. New homeowner added. Okay. So let's check if it worked. So let me just refresh that. Oops, wasn't meant to click that. There you have it. So it worked. So going back to the directions, I've shown all the triggers needed with discussion, start procedure as well with a discussion of the code and sample execution, and then lastly the .NET connection with the interface, code, and sample output. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you. Thank you, sir, for watching, and I'll see you next SEM, next school year. So bye bye.